Baboons are medium to large primates native to Africa and Western Asia. They are the largest of the monkeys and have an elongated snout and face like a dog. The saying that monkeys have red buttocks actually comes from baboons. Each species is slightly different, but most live in polygamous groups. There is a hierarchy and a ranking system, but it's more likely that the calmer males are more popular with females than violent males. They're basically omnivores, but they're the second most prolific carnivores and hunters among primates after humans. They often hunt in groups. They'll eat anything from small gazelles to other monkeys to birds. They have a fierce and belligerent temperament and live in groups. They can use weapons like branches and stones against their sharp fangs, and can use their sharp fangs as weapons, such as sticks and stones. Baboons are very protective of their territory. If you happen to trespass on their territory, you'll have to be careful, as they can be very aggressive.
A cat is an animal of the mammalian carnivore family Felidae. Cats have long been enjoyed as pets by humans. However, ancient Egyptian murals show cats being used to hunt birds. The symbiotic relationship between cats and humans is believed to have begun around the time of the rise of Egyptian civilization with the development of agriculture, when they followed the rats that congregated in the granaries where grain was stored. As such, cats don't have any of the characteristics of domesticated animals. They were more of a symbiotic relationship with humans than domesticated animals. From there, they spread throughout Europe and Asia via the Silk Road, thanks to Arabian traders. They were also useful for sailing, so they traveled with humans and spread around the world. While not included in the Chinese zodiac, in Vietnam and Nepal, the cat is one of the zodiacal animals instead of the rabbit. Although they don't live in packs, they do have hierarchical rituals, such as honoring the eating order of cats higher in rank than themselves. The social role of cat calls depends on the type of intruder and the other three sounds. Nasal purring is a greeting between cats, or an expression of social concern for an injured or sick cat. A nasal trembling sound is also a greeting. There are many different types of open-mouthed cries that approach slowly, like a meow. They are mostly used for greeting and social interaction with other cats and other animals such as dogs and humans. Be careful with open-mouthed sounds, such as hisses and growls, which are usually associated with aggression.